She is so careful when she drives in the rain. She is so careful when she drives in the rain. She goes slow and looks back and forth. She goes slow and looks back and forth. She doesn't want to get in an accident. She doesn't want to get in an accident. She knows it can be a little dangerous. She knows it can be a little dangerous. Her van has new tires. Her van has new tires. The brakes are pretty good. The brakes are pretty good. And she always drinks some coffee before she leaves. And she always drinks some coffee before she leaves. Her friend likes to walk in the rain. She uses a nice big umbrella. It is dark blue and white. It's really nice. Just her shoes and the bottom of her pants get wet. Just her shoes and the bottom of her pants get wet. The boys like to play in the puddles. They think it's fun to splash some water, but then they get wet. They start to feel cold, and they ask Mom to take them home. There they change their clothes. Sometimes they take a shower. They also like baths. A warm drink is fantastic. It's a great rainy day for them.